Hello, my friends. This is Miss Hoshika joining from the Tea Center. And today we are going to make a paper house craft. Let's see how and what we need to make the paper house craft. So you will need a full-size A4 sheet and a half-sized A4 sheet in any color you would like to pick. You will need some tape. You will need some scissors and some markers. First, we are going to take the smaller paper and we are going to draw some windows and a door for our house. This is going to be my window and this is going to be my door. Now cut the sides of your door. Now tape your house into a tube. Take some tape. And now fold your door a little bit so it wouldn't move too much, and set this aside. And let's take our blue paper and gently let's cut the peak of our blue paper. So you're going to make a peak right here. I'm going to get my marker and decide that I'm going to make the peak this big, and I'm going to fold it to find the middle of the paper. And now, since I have marked my paper, I'm going to cut out the peak. Now going to cut a slight curve along the bottom of our paper. Now we are going to make a cone out of this paper. And I'm going to use some tape to secure this cone. And now I am going to set my cone on top of my paper house. And this is going to be your paper house. We have our window here and the door here. Thank you so much for joining us at the Tea Center Craft Time. And if you like our video, please share this and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.